Hello and welcome to another end video. We got brake rotors and pads today to put on. Obviously I've already done 3 of them. We're going to show you this next one just because I wanted to get the experience so I could show you the best instruction. This is the rotor. It's from Socal Garage, and it came with the pads, which are also from Socal Garage. So first we got to jack up the car and take off the tire. Now that we got that off, we're going to turn the wheel all the way to the right. So the bolts that we have to take off are these 4. Here and here and here and here. The 2 front ones are 14 millimeter and the 2 back ones are 17 millimeter. After we get these bolts out, it comes off pretty easily. And what you want to do, so this isn't being stressed out, is get a box, something to place it on, so that it's resting nice and easy. Now we take off these 2. You should be able to take these out with your hand after you break it. I don't believe they put any Loctite from the factory, which is different in the back, because the back they put Loctite. That's just a difference that I noticed. That comes off. All that holds the rotor on at this point is these 2 screws here. Now they're Phillips head, and what you want is a Phillips driver that has like a flat point to it, because otherwise you'll strip it out. Comes right off. Just pull off your rotor. Now we put our new one on, line it up with the holes. Doesn't need to be tight at all, just a little ugga dugga. Okay, next thing is brake pads. So we gotta take these out. Basically, what I do is just push them and they come right out. These springs come out with it. And we put the new one on. Start from the inside and push it all the way back. Reinstall the clips. Another difference that I noticed with the back is the clips on the back are very loose. Like they like to fall out, whereas these ones are pretty tight. Like once you put them in, they're not gonna flip off. Now I'll just reinstall. This is where the torque wrench comes into play. We want our torque wrench to be set, I believe it's anywhere between 80 and 92 foot-pounds, which I'm going to do 87. Now we have to compress our piston back. It likes to come out. This is the technique that I used for the first one, and it worked. So we're gonna roll with it. The rear, you don't have to do this. It fits in because there's a hole and all that. But that is one thing about the fronts. It's actually easier to do this. You'll feel it just stop. That's your stopping point. Now these bolts are 30 foot-pounds. That's good. This is a perfect time to clean your caliper and the inside of your wheel and all that, because you can really get to it. Now all we have to do is put the wheel back on and we're golden. And there you have it. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. One thing I will say, try to have 6-point sockets, not 12. That'll help you from not stripping any bolts. That wraps it up. Make sure to check out our other end videos, and we'll see you in the next one.